Welcome back to our channel where we simplify complex topics for you. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence works? Today, we'll be diving into fundamental concepts of AI and breaking them down into easy-to-understand terms. Main content. Machine learning is a crucial aspect of AI, allowing machines to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Think of it as a student studying patterns in a textbook to predict future outcomes. Neural networks, on the other hand, mimic the human brain structure, consisting of interconnected nodes that process information. Picture a network of neurons firing to recognize images or language. Deep learning takes neural networks to the next level, using multiple layers to analyze complex patterns. Imagine peeling back layers of an onion to uncover deeper insights hidden within data. To better understand these concepts, let's consider a real-world example. Imagine you're teaching a computer to recognize cats in photos. Through machine learning, the computer processes thousands of cat images to identify common features like ears and whiskers. By using neural networks, the computer can distinguish cats from other animals based on these features, much like how our brains recognize faces in a crowd. Deep learning further refines this process by identifying subtle details that indicate a cat's presence, such as fur texture or tail length. Outro. And there you have it, a simplified explanation of AI concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. We hope this video has shed light on these fundamental ideas and sparked your curiosity about the world of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more informative content on our channel. Thanks for watching.